Today I'm going to be pitting my KTM 250SX motocross bike against some nasty single track trails that are typically made for enduro bikes. Being completely bone stock except for a flywheel weight, this bike is made to run wide open on a motocross track. Because of this, we started out on some more flowier single track where the bike could really breathe and let it rev out like it's designed and made to do. With a full-blown motocross bike not even flinching in the woods, we decided to move into some tighter stuff where I would be forced to lug the bike and where this thing really should start falling on its face compared to the enduro model. That is, if you don't treat this like the bike it is. Rather than lugging the bike everywhere I went, I kept the gears low and the RPMs high, letting this motocross bike scream like it was designed to, and made this thing an absolute weapon in the woods because of it. And after the single track riding was over, this motocross bike's stiffer suspension ate up these whoops on the trail and let this thing absolutely scream. And overall, this bike absolutely kills it for GNCC style riding if you're willing to change your riding type to a more aggressive style and let this bike breathe like it wants to.